Well, hi there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers again with you once again, and now for something completely different. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. Sleep all night and I work all day. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the lavatory. And Wednesdays I go shopping and have buttered scones for tea. He cuts down trees, he eats his lunch, he goes to the lavatory. On Wednesdays he goes shopping and has buttered scones for tea. So he's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. I cut down trees, I skip and jump, I like to press fireflies. I put on women's clothing and hang around in bar. He cuts down trees, he skips and jumps, he likes to press fireflies. He puts on women's clothing and hangs around in bars. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. I cut down trees, I wear high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd been a girlie just like my dear papa. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. Classic. Anyway, this is just a bit of fun, okay? It's quite a good exercise in alternating bass picking, okay? 3 chords in this song, okay? Standard tuning, no capos doing it in. I think they actually on the record or the recording they play it with a capo on the 1st fret. If you want to match it with the actual Monty Python soundtrack, put a capo on the 1st fret and play what I'm about to show you, but I'm doing it in G, okay? So it's basically just C, G, C and a D7. That's all that's in the song, but to get the sort of feel of the song, it's like okay, all the way through the song, okay? So it's what it is you play a G chord, you play the bottom E string, strum, then the 5th string, strum, then change to a C chord and play the 3rd on the 5th, the root note, C, strum, and then swing this swinging bass, move this 3rd finger up to the bottom E string and play the bottom E string and then strum. So you got, you can play a C with G in the bass if you don't want to move that finger about. You could just play a 4-fingered C, that's C with G in the bass. So you've got C chord, this 3rd finger goes up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, pinky goes to the 3rd fret on the 5th, then you don't have to move any fingers and you can just go 5th string, 6th string. Okay, so you can go, but I tend to use the swinging bass myself, but it's a totally personal thing, okay? And then on the D7th you play the 4th string, open, strum, and then the 5th string, open, strum. Okay, so you got, I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. Sleep all night and I work all day. Just repeats round and round and round. Okay, these obviously the Mounties coming back in, all your friends. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. And he goes into the next verse. It's exactly the same. I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the lavatory. And Wednesdays I go shopping and have buttered scones for tea. Now, occasionally there's a little rundown, and it does it on this verse. On that, I cut down trees, eat my lunch, go to the lavatory. At the end of that verse, it goes and have buttered scones for tea. If you want to put that in very quickly, it's 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, all on the A string. 3rd on the A string, 2nd on the A string, open A string. So it's cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the lavatory. On Wednesdays I go shopping and Now butter scones for tea, bum 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 to the tree. Now it just goes into another, repeats the last verse, okay, from the Monty section. He cuts down trees, he eats his lunch, he goes to the lumber tree. On Wednesdays he goes shopping, and has buttered scones for tea. And he does another, he's a lumberjack and he's okay. Sleeps all night and he works all day. Cut down trees, I skip and jump, I like to press wildflowers. I put on women's clothing and hang around in bars. Another one of those rundowns. Third on the fifth, second on the fifth, open fifth. Hang around in bars. He cuts down trees, he skips and jumps, he likes to press wildflowers. He puts on women's clothing and hangs around in bars. And of course, he's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. No verse. I cut down trees, I wear high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd been a girlie. Stop on T7, just like my dear Papa. Another chorus right from the beginning. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night, I work all day. He's a lumberjack and everybody in Florida sleeps all night and he works all day. And just to finish it, I'll go G, C, G very quickly. Works all day. So it goes, he's a lumberjack, sorry, he's a lumberjack and he's okay. Sleeps all night and he works all day. End of song. Just for fun, okay? Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.